Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's yoga practice. This will be a 5-minute yoga practice. Yes, you heard me, 5 minutes. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this content. My name is Beth. Welcome to your mat. So I want you to think about your yoga practice as a way to find focus in a world full of distractions. It's where you can come to breathe, to reconnect your authentic self. So without further ado, let's find ourselves in sitting hero's pose. So push your heels towards each other and sit down. And notice how you sit here for a little bit. So I have this piece of wood because it's quite windy. Allowing yourself to center yourself with your inhalation and your exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation. Exhale, bring the hands to the mat. Spread your hands. Keep your hands underneath your shoulder. Cat and cow. Inhale, lift the chest, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round, look towards the navel. Relax the back of the head. Inhale, lift the chest and look up. Exhale, round, look towards the navel. Inhale, lift the chest and look up. Exhale, round, look towards the navel. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, round. 2 more like this on your own. Come into neutral spine and then slowly tuck your toes under, lift the knee, straighten your arm, push the mat away, and then straighten your legs, downward dog. Inhale, take the left leg up, really pointing your toes, lengthening your spine. Exhale, bring the left leg to meet with the right one. Inhale, lean forward into your plank. Push into the thumb and index finger. Bend the knee, straighten your legs, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Pointed toes, flex toes. Exhale, bring the right leg down. Inhale, forward into your plank. Keep the neck long. Noticing even the piece of wood is guiding me. Keep your back flat, core engage. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step your right leg outside of the right hand. Inhale, take the right hand up, open the heart. Exhale, the right hand down. Take the right leg back, downward dog. Inhale, forward into plank. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, bring the left leg outside of the left hand. Take the left hand all the way up, open the heart, push into that right leg. Soften your right shoulder. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step the left leg back, downward dog. Inhale, forward into your plank. Engage your core. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, bring the left leg 60 degrees. Step the right leg in between the hand. Lift on up, warrior 2. Relaxing the shoulder. Inhale, rise up, warrior 1. Lengthen the spine. Come back, warrior 2. Straighten the right leg. Pivot that right leg, lift the right toes. Pivot the right leg forward. Hands reach up. Exhale, wide-legged forward fold. Relax the head. Inhale, come halfway, flat back. Bend the left leg, point the left leg forward, and come into warrior two. Push into that left heel, push on the outer edge, draw the belly in. Inhale, come into warrior one. Square the hip towards that left leg. Lengthen the spine. Inhale, come back into warrior two. Straighten the left leg. Lift the left big toes and point it towards your face. And then pivot the left leg forward. Hands reach up. Then bring yourself all the way to the right leg, straight leg. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. And then face the left foot. Fold over to that left foot. Inhale, walk the hands to the center, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Relax the head. Maybe catch your ankles or your heels and fold. Inhale, bring the hands to center, point your toes out, and come into goddess pose. Just noticing a few of the poses. How are you feeling? Finding that length, creating more space, sitting low. Maybe close the eyes. And then straighten both legs. Bring the hands to the hip, pivot the left leg, straighten the right leg, reach your hands towards a block or towards your right big toe. Take the left hand all the way to the sky, triangle pose. Inhale, coming back to center. Pivot in the right leg 60 degrees, point the left leg, hands reach out. Reach forward, maybe on a block, towards your left toes, reach the right hand up. So think as if you're pulling your right hand up, left hand down. Inhale, bring yourself back up. Hands in Namaskara, legs are together, mountain pose. Bring the hands down by the side. Close your eyes, just let your eyes rest for some time. Bring the hands in front of the heart. Namaste. Guys, thank you for joining me in this 5 minutes yoga practice. I hope you enjoyed. If you like a longer practice, that's 60 minutes right at the corner and 30 minutes. So you're welcome. Let me know how you get on. Namaste. My name is Beth. Thank you.